Hello and welcome everyone to another lecture of data science. Today we are going to cover an important topic which is regression modeling, a comprehensive guide. Regression modeling, what is regression modeling? We will discuss in this video. This is our 8th video of our playlist. We have covered more topics in our previous video, so do check out those videos and give them videos a thumbs up. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video with regression modeling. Linear regression assumptions. So, what are the assumptions that are made by linear regression? Linearity, independence, normality, homo homoscedasticity. The relation between the dependent and independent variable should be linear. So, basically, the linearity in linear regression, tells us about the relationship between the dependent and the independent variable. Independence. Observation should be independent of each other, meaning that the values of one observation does not influence the value of another value. Basically, the observation that we calculate in linear regression are independent of each other, means one will not affect other. The one value of assumption will not affect the other value of assumptions. Normality. The residuals should be normally distributed. This assumption ensures the errors in the model are random and unpredictable. The variance of the residual should be constant across all values of the independent variable. Ordinary least square OLS estimation. The OLS estimation basically works in three principles: minimize error, best fit, slope, and intercept. Sorry. The OLS minimizes the sum of squared residual between the predicted and actual value. Basically, OLS minimize the squared residual between predicted and actual value. Best fit. The resulting regression line represents the best fit of the line data. Slope and intercept. OLS provides estimate of the slope and intercept of the regression line. Intercepting regression coefficient. Direction, magnitude, significance. So basically there are three types: direction, magnitude, and significance. Direction. A positive coefficient indicates a positive relationship, while a negative coefficient indicates a negative relationship. We all know about coefficients. If there is a negative coefficient, then it defines a negative relationship. If a positive relationship, then it is a positive coefficient. Magnitude. The absolute value of the coefficient represents the strength of the relationship. The absolute value of every coefficient defines the strength of that relationship. Significance. The p-value associated with each coefficient indicates whether the relationship is statistically significant. Assessing model fit. R squared representation represents the proportion of variance in the dependent variable that is explained by independent variable. A higher R squared indicates a better fit. The F test assesses the overall significance of the model. It tests the hypothesis that all the regression coefficients are equally zero. Multicollinearity and variable selection. Now, multicollinearity and variable selection are two most important and major steps in linear regression. Multicollinearity. Multicollinearity occurs when independent variables are highly correlated with each other. So, multicollinearity occurs when the variables are highly correlated with each other. This can lead to an unstable regression coefficients and unreliable results. Variable selection. Variable selection techniques are used to identify the most important variable for the model, reducing collinearity and improve model performance. Methods. Common variable selection method include stepwise regression, forward selection, backward elimination, and best subset selection. Stepwise regression approach. So, what are the steps that regression follows? Start with a model including only the intercept. So, you need to start with the intercept or the model that include only the intercept. At each step, add or remove variable based on statistical criteria like p-value or AIC. Process the continuous until the model reaches the desired level of fit and proximity. Evaluating model performances, residual analysis, error matrix, and cross validation. Analysis the residual can help identifying any patterns of deviations that might indicate model misprediction. Error matrix. Metrics like mean squared MSE and root mean squared error RMSE quantify the model's predictive accuracy. Basically, the metrics, there are two types of error metrics, MSE and RMSE. RMSE stand for metric like mean squared error and root mean square error. Cross validation. Cross validation techniques assesses the model ability to generalize to a new data, help preventing overfitting. Conclusion and key tip. Understand the assumption. Basically, in this, we need to understand the assumption very carefully because without understanding the assumptions, we are not able to find anything in linear regression. So, assumptions are necessary. Choose variable carefully. It is very necessary to choose the variable, as you all know that variability depends, and the variability is very important. So, select variables that contribute to the model. Evaluate model performance, assess the model fit and accuracy. So basically it is very important that to the model performance and accuracy is important. If my model is accurate and efficient, then it is going to be a good model. So basically this is one of the linear regression is one of the technique to make our model more efficient and more important and more accurate. So basically you can use this technique in your data set or in your data science project, linear regression, to make your project more accurate, more efficient and function very well. So basically our main goal is to evaluate the model and to improve the performance of model. So linear regression helps us with it. So basically this is all about today's video, linear regression. I hope you understood linear regression. What are the challenges? What are the key steps followed in linear regression? What is the main concept of linear regression? Hope you like the video. For more content, do like, comment, and share. Till then, stay tuned. We will discuss more topics of data science in our upcoming videos. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.